the Hobby Plus CR18P Evo V2 Rock Van. A great RTR out of the box, but can we make it better? That's what we're going to try to figure out in this video.
And there it is, the Rock Van with its upgrades. So we have our high clearance links, steel drive shafts, and the
brass portal covers
on the tires. So we're going to take it on the rocks right now and see what kind of performance test we get. I will say that I have not taken any weight off of the tires yet. They are still full of weight.
Future Nerdy here. Really quick, I just want to state that there are two things that these upgrades do not fix. Number one, that is the drivetrain slop. I am still trying to figure out if it's something that can be adjusted with the drag brake or if it's something else that has to be done. Number two is the entry and exit and the body getting hung up. That is just part and parcel with having the Rock Van. It has a low-hanging body with a low-hanging bumpers that do affect your entrance and exit angles, and also you'll see in the upcoming drive footage how the body gets hung up on stuff.
we're going to see exactly if anything is affected. All right. Let's check it out.
right, so let's talk about these rock van upgrades that I did. I just want to start by saying I'm still new to this hobby, so I'm not, when little things go wrong, I still don't know how to say, oh, this was this or this was this. So the pros, I do feel that it gained climbing ability. I was able to do that one back line on my crawler course, which so far this is the only one of my rock crawlers that can do that one line up. I do feel that it is planted. The very first incline going up, this usually takes like 1 or 2, 3 tries of it falling, and then me picking it up and trying it again for it to go up. But this time it did it in one shot, which was cool. I did notice there was some hesitation on the acceleration when I pulled the trigger on the transmitter, which I'm not sure if that's due to the binding, because apparently the circle rings that the stainless steel drive shafts have can, from what I understand, cause binding? Question mark. But you know, or if it's just because now that I've added so much weight, the motor just might need an upgrade. You know, I don't really send this like really fast. It still has the type of pep that I want in it. Yeah, overall, I would say that the upgrades that for the rock van are good. If you're going to do any upgrades on the rock van, definitely get yourself some weight on the tires, right? I would definitely get the brass portal axles. I don't think you need the stainless steel drive shaft, and I did get the high clearance links, like you just saw. The high clearance links did help that breakover. I did notice that. So I'm gonna say, yeah, you know, if that's an upgrade that you want to do down the line, definitely go ahead and do it. But definitely, if you to make this better out of the box, weight on the wheels, and then the portal axles, and you should be pretty much golden with tackling anything. Thank you all for watching this video. Please, stay tuned. There's going to be another video coming up soon, and see you later.